if you've been, say, looking around in the whole movie industry and everything right now, the Jamaicans movie and the independent movie and the Caribbean movies are just, African movies is just doing superb. And we gotta say respect to the boss himself, Phillip Warmington. Welcome, brother.
Yeah, man, respect, brother, respect. Welcome. Welcome. Yo, Atlanta, Georgia. Respect our manners, you know? Papa over there, you know, Mr. Phillip Warmington, aka, you see?
See, real respect. Now, Mr. Warmington, of course, you know, a couple days ago, you know, everybody was here, but now it's time with me and you can sit and, like, really chat.
For real, man. Give thanks for this opportunity. I really appreciate this opportunity because I really need it, you know?
Yes, because you've been working hard, man, and I admire you for work, doing all this hard work, you know, years, man.
Respect.
Respect.
Because you have a person definitely know how far I come from. But now I'm going to big up New Creation Records still, because God know. Well, you know, big up my family when I meet them, you know what I say?
Yes.
Yo, big up Joseph Court.
Boom.
You know what I say?
Hey, I got Joseph Court sound cue up right now.
Cool, man. You see, then I saw yo, DJ Smash. You understand what I'm going from the other day, though? You know, I be, you see, yo, because we know, so we're spiritual with the Almighty, you know, we're spiritual with the Creator, because you there on and see the whole for sign and you see how we create a work within our circle. So like even for instance just now like we have Joseph
Ready.
And there's so much more family that I met there and a female name called first and then you understand me? So anyway, just you know so I saw the spirit work.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, I want to big up Joseph Court, you know, I want to big up Desai at Jamaica, you know what I say? Original brother that, you know what I say? I want to big up Stacey, I want to big up Lady Kane, I want to big up Shanda. Yeah, I'm sorry, Shana, if you listen, you don't know. Me I try to get acquainted back with the new name because me know say that was a part of rebuilding after this place that we was at. You know me I say so. I know you're rebuilding, so I'm trying to get familiar with your new name, Shanda. So yeah, big up Shanda too. Big up all of the ladies and big up Unique, big up Tony Roach.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? The original people, they big up Benzman, big up Vital.
Boom.
Seriously, you know what I'm saying? Big up Ross Riser. And big up the whole crew, yo, more big up the people that want me meet a New Creation Record, big up Elise Kelly and Ron Mushet. You know what I'm saying? Richie B and them people that, you know what I'm saying? The real big man them in the business, you know? Yeah.
Now, what got you into movie making, editing, writing, movie?
Well, DJ Smash, you know, you know me already say, I was a recording, I'm still a recording artist. You know, I was always writing my song then before, you know me I say, but like I said, you know, the business gets so complex where, you know me I say, yo, you need some, everybody and them mother singer and DJ. You understand? So, we just try find a little circle for work with. You understand me I say, because everybody I make movie, yes, but, you know, not everybody is doing it, and it's not an easy thing to do, you know what I say? It's a very challenging thing to do, so not everybody want to take on that challenge, you know what I say? Plus, you know, it's something that I think that's always been inside of me, you know what I say? Because, you know, what me, from growing up, you know, I never grew up around my mom's, you know what I say? So, she was always living in New York, she left me from me at 6 months old, you know what I say? Yeah, so I grew up with my great-great-grandmother. And I was very, very artistic when we were growing up. You know, we used to draw and everything. We used to do acting at the play them at church and something.
Okay.
Yeah, so we used to do that. When the A-team, when we watch the A-team all Saturday night time and Friday night time, I'm a guy and I sit there, you see next day I beat things and everything, you know what I'm saying? In the bush and I sit there, I caught where we see that sitting. And then, you know, when we are Jamaica, you know, in a country we come from, Clarendon, you know, big up all of the man from Bialston and Sparley, big up Yunzi and Black Panther and the Black Cat, so you don't know Barrington Lewis, so right, so as far as we come from, Bialston, we come from the country, so you don't know, you know, we don't have a whole lot of things for like ties and them something there where people buy a town for them picnic and them something, so you have to make one of ties and call a box truck and them something. You remember a box truck them with a little wheel there. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We have to get creative and we used to have a little truck away. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we used to well creative, but at the music side of town when we was kids growing up, you know, you look at shed pan them. And then thing that we used to cut off the bottom of the shed pan too, and then we used to get wet the cloth and put the clay around the shed pan, and then we would make the cloth go down around the shed pan and make it stiff and hard, and then you leave it and so make it dry, and then you get the drum. You know what I'm saying? Then we make the big one with the bass drum down there, so, and then the next man make the bamboo guitar or and everything there, and the next man make the shaker yourself, and then we have the cymbal, you know, we have the cymbal with the clap, so we have a foot over press it. So we make our own drum set and we make our own bands. From where local youth I grew up and so we always have it that way. We just never have some cause I don't grow up with my father either. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't grow up, my mother left when I was 6 months old, come foreign, and I don't grow up, I never really know my father's side of town until I come foreign and start learning from Billy Boy, you know what I'm saying, my cousin when I sing to, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So yeah, so I come foreign and learn some things. My mother is a writer, and she was writing a book called The Woman on the Other Side of the Shore, The Awakening of the Spiritual Being.
Boom.
You know what I'm saying? So I realized, wow, because me always want to know, yo, you know what I'm saying, is it a real thing me have in me? I mean, you know what I'm saying? So I reason my mother do it and everything there, and then I become to realize that, yo, my father is also a leader. You know what I'm saying? Warmington family is a very big family. If the people from Jamaica know that Everall Warmington is the MP for St. Catherine. You know, that's my uncle. My next uncle has next bar, my next Warmington bar around so, or our next road around so. You know what I'm saying? A New York Warmington family them own the Rosdale taxi service.
Boom.
You know what I said? So yo, you know, the Warmington family them are leadership people. And more some people understand some things about me, you know. Yo, big up Princess Zambia. You know, cause really and truly, every black man need a black woman in them circle. I never say in them life too, you know, but you know, in them circle of trying to of being ambitious. Every black man need a black woman because DJ Smiles, I'm not gonna lie to you, you know. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's why I'm glad for the opportunity you give me because over the weekend, you know, we just premiered the movie.
Yeah.
You know what I say? And a lot of people promised that they was gonna come and see the movie. You know, but you know,
people that's dear to
a lot of people, you know, still didn't show up. You know what I'm saying? But you know, I'm not disappointed about the people who didn't show up. I honest to God, because I'm past that level already. You know, I'm past the level of, you know, how it's going to turn out. And I just had to, I promised that I was going to show the movie, and I did that.
Boom.
You know what I'm saying? But, for instance, one of my colleagues that I just started music with when I was in New York, he lives in Georgia now, and my favorite sister-in-law, big up my favorite sister-in-law out there, you know what I'm saying? But my Virgin Bogsy, you know what I'm saying?
Boom.
You know, when I seen him there at the premiere, man, yo, listen, it was like a million people to me. Him and his wife alone was like a million people. And then it was Luca John, big up Luca John, you know what I said, my next version, I'm in the godfather for his daughter. Him and his girl came to, so that was like another million people.
Yeah.
You know what I said? And yeah, so it's not the people, because the certain people, those 4 people that I just mentioned, alright, another example. When I was in New York, a lot of people in New York, you know, I mean, I listen people turn them back on me, you know, because they don't understand me, and I don't hate them because of that either, you know what I say? Because, you know, when we did there in New York, a lot of people say, you know, because when I edit the movie, I have all things that doing, all complications are going at the same time, computer crash and all kind of things. So Princess Zambia, the manager, she was taking care of a lot of things for me, you know what I mean?